Hello everyone, my name is Nanyem. Today I will show you about the lesson operating system means. Okay, so what is operating system? Yes, I think some of you maybe study already about the operating system, right? I will review some points. Actually, operating system is the most important software that run on a computer, right? Actually, basically, it manages the computer memories, process, and other software and hardware. It also allows you to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak, like languages, your record, your sound, like without reading operating system. Okay, what what thing that we count in the operating system mean? We have what? We have Windows, we have OS, we have Linux. We can say it's the operating system for computer, right? This one is a kind of the Microsoft Office Windows 7 startup screen. This is a kind of operating system we can see, right? This okay. This one is the Windows 7 after starting up when we install the operating system, right? Operating system has start up, it's manage all the software and hardware on the computer. Actually, most of the time there are many different programs running at the same time, right? Like the program like Firefox, Chrome, Google Chrome, Safari, we can install in the first time after we install the Windows 7, or we can say operating system, right? One more is the type of operating system mean. The type of operating system we have Windows, we have OS, we have Linux, right? This one is the logo of Windows, and this one is the logo of OS, and this one is the logo of Linux. Okay, actually, like some student he asked me which one is the best for Windows and OS. But for me, I think in my idea, I think I would like to all the students use the OS. Why? Because I think OS is the best software to writing a coding is good. And then if we use OS, I think like we can say the high show people. And then I think OS is security than Windows. Okay. Okay, this one is we can say modern operating system use the graphical user interface. Okay, or we can say GUI. The GUI means graphical user interface. So, what is graphical user interface? Basically, graphical user interface is the form of user interface that allows to interact with electronic device through graphical icon and audio indicators such as primary, not action, instead of text-based user interface type command label of the text navigation. This one is a kind of GUI. Okay. This one is the window GUI here. You can see we have a lot of the application in there in desktop, right? Okay, this one is the OS GUI. Okay, the OS GUI, this one like actually in Windows we have also Microsoft, and OS we also have Microsoft too. Actually, like Microsoft created the Windows operating system in the mid 1980s. Yes, over the year there has been many different versions of Windows, right? The first one is Windows what? Windows XP, Windows Vista, right? Windows 2003, Windows 2007, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10. I think it's a lot of Windows for updating now. We can choose the window up to we update. And then I think the most Windows 10 or Windows 8.1 is the best window for rewriting or we install on your computer. Okay. But if you want to install your window like Windows 8.1, Windows 10, you should make sure your computer too. Uh, what kind of your computer is the high level of computer or not? Is some of computer not just low level? When we install the Windows 7 or Windows 8, we could the some of application cannot run in your computer. Okay. This one is a kind of platform of the Windows 8.1. We can see what we have favorite desktop, document, or others platform like picture or vacation. This one is a kind of 8.1. I think Windows 8.1 and Windows 10 is not so different, but you should install Windows 10 is better than 8.1. Okay, for my ideas. Okay, this one is a kind of Windows 7. We can see what we can see. I think it's the old version. Sometimes it's so bad version to use it. Yes. One more thing is the Apple Mac OS X. Okay, Mac OS is the largest operating system created by Apple. Okay, it's a kind of operating system that created by Apple. Is the Mr. Steve Jobs. He's created OS here to use everyday like computer. We can use with the mobile phone, iPhone, right? Like nowadays, right? Okay, it's come preloaded on a loaded Macintosh computer or Mac. All of the recent versions are known as the Mac OS, pronounced Mac OS 10, right? And this specific version named LINN-ux, released in 2011, so Leopard 2009. Apple also offer the version called Mac OS X Server, which is the design to be run on server, right? Okay, this one also like the old version for the Mac's computer. Yes, but nowadays mostly all the students or all the people they use Mac the version more than 10.5 or later. It's not this is one just like the old version. Some people don't use the version now. Okay. Okay. This one is a kind of Linux. We can say is the part of operating system too. Linux is the family of open source operating system, which means that they can be modified and distributed by anyone around the world. This is different property software like Windows, which can only be modified by the companies that own its Microsoft. Okay, but I think in Cambodia now, well, mostly we don't use the Linux. We usually like to use Windows and OS. Linux mostly they don't use. Yes, because what? Because sometimes like the people or the student they never know how to use about Linux. This is the reason. Okay. This one is a kind of operating system with the mobile device, right? Also the old version too. Like we have what? We have the application like camera, phone, photo, maps, iTunes, or App Store, right? iOS, Windows Phone 7, or Google Android. Okay, this one, right? Okay. Now we will compare about the iPhone iOS 7, Android, and phone Windows 8. Which one is the best? I think we have two parts like iPhone iOS 1, Android is the better because what? Because like the application or in the App Store or the Google, I think it's easy to search, easy to download application. It's not different from the phone Windows 8. But nowadays I think in phone Windows 8 is just low now, just broke now because what? Because we don't have marketing to sell or what? How to say? We cannot phone Windows 8, not good service, not like iPhone iOS 1 or Android. Yes, okay. So the best thing, the most people nowadays they use for iPhone iOS and Android is the best. Phone Windows 8 mostly they don't use now. Okay, especially in the Asia country. Okay. Lesson 3 we will know about understanding application. The first one I would like to ask you, what is application mean? Actually, application is a program or groups of a program designed for end user. Okay, we design application for user. Which one that we can say in is the application? The first one is what? Microsoft Word. We also count in the application too. Word processor or personal finance, web browser, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, Safari or game, something like that. Okay. Okay. The first one is you want to installing this top application. You in others work. The application usually be the install in on your computer first, and then you can use, right? Like when you opening file with application, many applications are designed to open one or more type of file or file format. For example, Microsoft Word can create and edit Word document, right? If you want to write a cover letters or resume, we can write in Microsoft Word. It's better, and then we can design the how to say we can design the article, the title, or can edit some alphabet also like that. I think all application also Microsoft Word is important for you are writing your document like cover letter, resume, or announcement, something like that. Okay. Okay. Next part, I will show you about open the application, then use application on open the file. Okay. The first one, if you want to open your document, right? We can open by your smartphone. We can download first the Microsoft Word, and then choose open, right? We can save as like the same computer as well too. We can save, but I think if you use Microsoft Word by your smartphone, I think sometimes it's not good. Sometimes it's difficult to write because just what, just a small monitor, right? If you use your computer, it's better than it is so loud. We can write, we can edit. It's better than okay. This one is the iPhone running on a mobile apps. Okay. Okay. Uh, I think it's enough now. I think thank you for your watching my video. Hope to see you in next lesson for web app and cloud. Okay. See you next video. Thank you.